Just thinking back on just how niggas never really gave a fuck, man. Just blunt twisted up, man. Got the double cup. Niggas never really gave a fuck, man. Let's do it, man. AWLK, nigga. Let's get it.
We don't give no fucks, we just don't give no fucks. Don't give no fucks, we just don't give no fucks. Nope. We don't give no fucks, we just don't give no fucks.
Welcome to another episode or whatever episode of the Blue Report. I'm Richie Bleu for all those just tuning in, and welcome back for everyone who's returning. I have another request. This one is for D Block Euro, Young Ads, and Dirtbike LB. I heard them on Large Amounts, and another tune. Also seen them freestyle where Jadakiss introduced them. It might have been like 2 years ago, a year ago or so. But they're dropping music back to back. They're dropping music, more and more music, I should say, and more videos and visuals and shit of that nature. This one is called The Shard. I'll leave a link to the original video in the description area. Let's see what the hell is going on. I love large amounts.
I got all this money, I'm hustling hard. You believe that nigga, nah, that's a facade.
Used to be poor. Now I step up in Harrods and say I'm not finished, but I got some more. I feel like the man, I need some more rubber bands. Buy a bag if she bad, tell her don't look at the tag. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemonade in Shangri-La. Made that pussy squirt, made that pussy flow. I'll look after you if you just play your part. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemonade in Shangri-La. Made that pussy squirt, made that pussy flow. I'll look after you if you just play your part. I finished cool from Belize, yeah. My girlfriend is foreign, she called them police. Come with my money, I'm begging you please. Yeah. The whole of the borough, they know that I fuck up OT. The jeweler bust down the AP, I came in it went. Put the fire on medium, turn on the light and the vent. When I whip it's a 10. You can get where it drops or I'll magic and give you a zip. Bando baby 29, I only deal with the pen. I'ma treat you like a queen, I will not deal with your friends. Yeah, they call me Bando baby 29. If I hit you with this dick, you'll lose your mind. If I teach you how to whip, you'll change your life. She was hitting with the spinner all the night. Used to be poor. Now I step up in Harrods and say I'm not finished, but I got some more. I feel like the man, I need some more rubber bands. Buy a bag if she bad, tell her don't look at the tag. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemonade in Shangri-La. Made that pussy squirt, made that pussy flow. I'll look after you if you just play your part. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemonade in Shangri-La. Made that pussy squirt, made that pussy flow. I'll look after you if you just play your part.
I've played this game before. We in the hotel blowing cheese, I got an amazing hole. 1,000 grams in gold, 1,000 grams in coke. I got way more bands than bitches, check my ratio. The only chain I was, I gotta change my spot. Told my worker be on point because them neighbors were. Baby girl, take it off. All these haters on my name, we the shake 'em off. We the shake 'em off. Just play your part, girl, and it will be easy. Don't eat at no good, she know don't eat easy. Stop lying, boy, I know you tried to beat me. Counting thousands on my bell, me on my easy.
Used to be poor. Now I step up in Harrods and say I'm not finished, but I got some more. I feel like the man, I need some more rubber bands. Buy a bag if she bad, tell her don't look at the tag. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemonade in Shangri-La. Made that pussy squirt, made that pussy flow. I'll look after you if you just play your part. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemonade in Shangri-La. Made that pussy squirt, made that pussy flow. I'll look after you if you just play your part.
That was D Block Euro, The Shard. Two things. These niggas look wildly alike. They might be brothers. If they are brothers, let me know. I don't know for sure what the deal is. But they look alike in the face. That's 1, 2. Pouring lean and lemonade and Shangri-La or whatever. I don't know if you guys know or pay attention or whatever. Just recently, Fredo Santana passed away due to complications of lean and shit like that. So I advise any and everybody not to fuck with it. I know it's like, oh, you know, one person, 1 or 2 people, Pimp C, all these other individuals. Oh no, it was because of this, it's because of that. Like, don't find excuses. The shit is not really supposed to be consumed like that, and niggas is fucking around. You know, like, just don't fuck around with it as much. But that's that little quick message. But here we go. I love this music. I love them. I like the fact that they're affiliated with D Block. They are D Block. They're Euro D Block, but their music is a 180 of what we have over here of D Block. You know what I'm saying? And they're accomplished. You know what I'm saying? Like, they have the 2 gold records, the gold plaques, 1 for each member, I guess, and for the large amounts too. But yeah, if you hear D Block music over here, it's hardcore hip hop, street shit. You know, like gritty, grimy, nasty, with Chic, fucking Styles, and Jada. And then, you know, they have some tunes where they cut up and stuff, but their music is ill because it's in their way. They're not trying to be anything other. They're having fun. They're laughing, smiling in the video. They're balling, doing what they love to do. So I think Ads is the one with the dreads, and LB is the one with the Caesar or whatever. Yeah, they're having fun. And I love the fact that they're just doing what they do. And it's kind of a you see it on what was that, Linked Up TV, the tracks in 30 minutes. These folks, you see some people in the studio, big time studio, these niggas are recording in their room. He's having a seat recording. Like, I record in my closet. It don't take much effort if you have somebody that know what they're doing. If you have an engineer or you yourself know what you're doing, and you can get a gold record off of just recording in your fucking room. And plenty of people, I see people record songs off their phone. I had a fucking DAW on my last phone. You know what I'm saying? I still have the DAW. If I want to, I download it, plug in the mic, all that next stuff, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But he has a gold plaque, so it's no excuse for anybody out there. They don't have the fucking mic boom, the fucking the styrofoam kit around it or anything. They're recording just as it is, probably in a quiet room or the best room with the acoustics and shit bouncing off the wall. But there's no excuses for anybody saying they want to do music or anything of that nature. You will find a way. You should be finding a way, even if you don't have the money. Like, you could go hustle or get your money however you get it, you know, or to go hit a studio, or you could get your equipment and fucking make the music happen. The whole purpose is the grind. What's your grind like? What's your consistency with this music thing? If you just dropping songs, like with me, I bullshit. I drop songs whenever I feel like it, basically. And I just do it because I like to hear myself like rapping, basically, and just to know and say that I can do it. But this year I told myself to get out there and do what I have to do. But back to these dudes, because this is about them, it's not about me. My bad. Boo. Fire, the shard. Let me hit it in the shard. The shard. Like, comment, share, subscribe, dislike if that's what you're into. Peace.
I still hang with the homies, some of them real, and some of them turning to phonies. Man, I'm knee deep in these cold streets, still screaming fuck all the police. Might just go chop up a block, turn my G-shot to a rollie. I keep it closely, feel like the OG. I'm going on showing, I'm going on boxing. I feel like I'm Kobe, and life is a bitch. Just master the artist seduction. They come around, negative vibes, they got my chakra reducted.